Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Inspired Birdie. I have a fun, different type of video for you today. Wanted to share some tips on ways to save money that I've recently learned about over the course of the last year. There's tons of videos out there, I'm sure, that you can find on this, but if you're like me, I was oblivious to a lot of these options that were available and wanted to share them with all of you guys. All right, so I'm going to start off with the very first one, which is the Walmart online grocery. You may not be aware of this. I was very unsure about this option just because if you're like me, I like picking out my own fruits and vegetables and produce. So I was really uncertain. So I tested this out way back in, I would say, February, March of 2017, just to see what kind of product I would get. And I was actually really surprised and very, very happy with what I was receiving. The products were in absolute perfect shape. It was exactly what I would have picked out if I was at the grocery store. So why do I love this option so much? Well, one, it is a major time saver. If you are a busy person, regardless if you have children, a big family, you're single, doesn't matter. If you're a super busy person, this is a major time saver. If you're like me, when I go to the grocery store or especially Walmart, you tend to get lost looking at everything else, and then an hour goes by, then you have to stand in the lines, and it takes forever. So this literally takes me 10 minutes to place my order online, just to go through, find all of the different things that I want to purchase, and I literally drive 2 minutes down the street. I pick up my phone when I'm there to call them, and they bring the groceries out to me. I don't have to go in, they bring them out to me, put them in my trunk, and that is it. So super time saver and big time money saver. Because I'm not going to Walmart or the grocery store, I find that I'm really sticking to my budget and to the items that I need. If my budget is $100 and I have a list of items that I need, I'm sticking to that. I'm not going in the store and buying a ton of other things that I'm window seeing. So I see it, I grab it, or getting distracted with all the other options that they have out there, especially a place like Walmart where they have all types of household items, and then you end up spending $100 or $200 more than what you really wanted to. So I have found that I save significantly doing this option. And you know what? They always give you little fun treats as well. I just got a thank you holiday box from them for doing my grocery shopping online, which was very sweet. So that is my first tip. All right, my second tip is Amazon Prime. Now, this isn't for everybody. It's something that you would really have to research and find out if it works for you. The reason it works for me is because I do have a child, and I find that you get really great discounts. For example, 20% saving on diapers, and I actually find it's a lot of times better than even a place like Costco. So I just find it is worth it to me. And the reason I say you have to figure that out is because you do have to pay an annual fee of $79 in Canada. But you also get this really great option. You get Amazon Prime Video, which is just like Netflix. So instead of having to pay for cable, you can just use this as your TV option, and it's included for free when you have the membership. And there's so many great TV shows and movies that you can go through, just like Netflix. And on top of the Amazon Prime Video, there's other things like Prime Music that you get access to, unlimited photo storage, so a really great place to store your photos if you don't currently have one. And those are just a few things to name. But for me, it's really about the fact that I get that extra family discount as well as free shipping. And the shipping is really fast. So I get items within 1 to 2 days, which is fantastic. And again, it saves me that extra, having to put all those things in the back of my trunk, especially when it comes to things like big boxes of diapers. It comes right to my door, and I have a significant savings on those diapers. So instead of spending, let's say, $37 on a box of diapers, which is what it would be at Walmart, I usually pay around $28. Now, there's an additional savings that you can get on top of that, which I'll talk about in a moment. So again, Amazon Prime, not for everybody. It's really something that you would need to sit down and figure out your budget to see if it works for you and your family, to really determine if it works for you. A lot of times what I'll do is I compare with Walmart quite often, just because Walmart is, they price match, they have extremely low prices. And what I like about Amazon is, one, if the company has a coupon available like Pampers, you can apply that coupon right through Amazon. As you can see right here, you just click the button and it will actually apply that coupon right to your order. And then what I'll do is a lot of times I'll go on Walmart, I'll look for the exact same product just to see what Walmart is selling the product for, because I want to make sure that I'm getting the best deal possible. Okay, my third tip is subscribe and save through Amazon. Walmart offers this option as well, but the savings is not as great. If you can find 5 products that you can subscribe and save to, you will save 15% on those products additionally. So for me, for example, I go with products that I know that I need every month or every few months, because it doesn't have to be something you get every month. You can subscribe and save quarterly, 2 times a month, once a month, every second month. So I'll pick 5 products that I know, such as toilet paper, paper towel, diapers, wipes, dog food. I know that I'm going to need those products, so I will subscribe and save to them through Amazon, and I save between $30 and $40 every month compared to Walmart. And also baby formula, a really, really great savings. I save about $7 on baby formula. All right, so the next is number 4. So Ebates. You may not have heard of Ebates. If you're not subscribed to Ebates, you gotta subscribe now, especially if you are an online shopper. I have primarily become an online shopper because of Ebates. So with Ebates, it is absolutely free. If you go to the Ebates website and click on how it works, it will explain it to you. But really quickly, to break it down for you, all you gotta do is register an account with Ebates, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So how it works is you log into your Ebates, and Ebates has a select amount of stores that they work with. And let me tell you, they have a ton of stores. You would probably be surprised at the amount of stores you shop at that are actually connected with Ebates. So Amazon is one of them. If you have kids, Carter's, The Children's Place, Old Navy, Gap, those are all part of Ebates. So for example, when I'm going to shop through Amazon, I always log into my Ebate account first, and I launch Amazon through Ebates. And by doing that, whatever I purchase on Amazon, I will get paid cash back from Ebates based on whatever the cashback percentage is at that time. So right now, as I'm making this video, Amazon is at 5%. So by doing that, I've done that for about 3 months now, and I've already made $50 in cash back, and Ebates will give me that money back right through into my PayPal, and that goes right into my bank account. Or you can also request to get a check, or you can have it sent to a friend, a family, a charity, or an organization. So let me tell you again, if you're not subscribed, you gotta subscribe to Ebates. It is free money. It literally is just money sitting there waiting for you. Also, Ebates is really great at letting you know what the coupons are that are out there. So there is a section called coupons, and it will show you all the different discounted coupons available out there right now based on the stores that they are affiliated with or work with. So that's also a great option as well. All right, so if you're not subscribed to it, I would be pulling up a web browser right now and subscribing to Ebates. All right, number 5 is Amazon add-ons. Let me start off by saying a lot of this is Amazon. I'm definitely not affiliated with them in any way. There's just so many savings that are out there for you. Amazon add-ons is a product that is called an add-on, and you can literally type in add-on in the search browser and it will show you what items are add-ons, that if you spend $25 with them on an order, then you qualify for these add-ons, and these add-ons are at a lower discounted price. So for example, these Munchkin pacifier wipes I purchase every month. I actually usually purchase them in stock, so I'll usually get 4 or 5 of them. They are quite expensive through, for example, Walmart. They're $13 at Walmart for one package. Why are they so expensive? I don't know. But I've done a lot of searches for this product. I have found it as low as $4.99. But by doing an add-on through Amazon, I get it for $3 and I think it's 18 cents. You would have seen it on my screen, but I get it at a very discounted price. So if you already know that there's items that you need and you're going to be spending $25, it totally makes sense to do add-on items as well. I'll show you another example. So for Christmas, I bought this cute little toy for my daughter, the Fisher-Price Bright Beats Buggy, which retails for about $1.50 to $2 more at Walmart. So again, I did my research. I went and I took a look at Walmart to see what it was being priced at, so I can compare to make sure I'm getting the best savings. And there you see it's $9.94. And if you take a look at Amazon, it was being offered at that time as an add-on for much less than that. So I saved about, I think I actually saved more than $2. I also researched on Google to see if there's any other stores that are selling it cheaper, because I do want to make sure I'm getting the best price. And once I've confirmed that, I do go back to Amazon and then purchase through there. But there are a ton of different add-ons that you can get, guys. Something that I would definitely recommend taking a look at. All right, my last tip, if you haven't heard of it, is called Honey. So you go to the Honey website, and what you're doing is, it's like Pinterest. You're adding the Honey hot button to your web browser at the top. And what it does is, when you're shopping online and you go to your checkout, so I'm going to show you, I'm at Old Navy right now. Didn't actually buy anything. I just wanted to show you guys what I meant. So if you're, you go through your website, you pick out the items that you want. I'm going to grab these pair of pants. I'm going to grab this top. You would go ahead and apply whatever discount you know already exists. So for example, Old Navy always has discounts, right? You go to their website, they always have a pop-up that says today you can save 30% or today you can save 25%. So during the day that I was recording this, they had a promo called bonus. So I go to the promo, I type in bonus, I get my extra savings on top of what the clearance prices already were. So you can see I'm typing in the word bonus, I hit apply. It adds the additional savings, and as soon as I check out, Honey, because I already have Honey registered on my bookmark bar, what happens is Honey will automatically pop up and let me know if there's additional savings that I could be getting at that store. So for example, you just saw me click on Honey. I can manually click myself, and I can just scroll through and see what all of the different deals are available to that store. But I don't always have time to sit there and go through and having to do all of that. So I don't want to have to do that. So as soon as you click the checkout button, Honey will actually automatically populate on its own, and it will offer the opportunity to search for discounts for that store. So if you see in the upper right hand corner, there's a little snowman that says, hey, there might be other offers. And what it does is it goes through and it tests all the codes that it has been provided for discounts. And it will let you know, hey, you got the best option, which is what it says to me at the end of this search, or hey, there's also this discount. So it's just a really great option. It saves you time from having to go out and look for codes. It's pretty up to date based on my experience. And you can also provide codes to it yourself. So if you know of a discount, you can manually submit that as well to Honey so that other customers could benefit from those as well. All right, guys, so those are my 6 tips on ways that you can save money. I hope that you found them helpful. Maybe you knew about a lot of them and you learned about 1 or 2, or maybe you knew about none of them and you learned about all of them. Regardless, I just hope that this was helpful and that moving into 2018, you can all find ways to save. I know that I will definitely be doing that. All right, guys, if you have any other ideas on videos that you would like to see from me in 2018, please leave me a comment or send me an email. I wish you all the best. Bye.